What's going on, guys? David here with you, and I wanted to do a part series on my channel and just show you how I shop around for my parts. This is specifically going to be for dryers. It ain't going to be everything for dryers because my parts house does have better deals in certain things. In a lot of areas they don't. So I will have the link to each and every one of these that you can get off Amazon. You can see it in the description below. I appreciate all the subscribers, appreciate all the likes. So let's jump into it. Right here you could get 3 Samsung heating elements, the inserts that go in all Samsung dryers, right here for $42.99. That's 14 bucks a piece, okay? My parts house charges $100 for one of them, and they retail for like 140 bucks. So, you know, you could charge what you want to, but generally this is like well over a $200 repair. So I mean, you can easily make 170 bucks or more on a specific job like this. Okay, so let's move to the next thing. The next thing is going to be the dryer repair kit for the Samsung. You could get all 4 rollers, you could get the idler pulley, and you can also get the belt right here for 35 bucks. Okay, these are like 8-9 bucks a piece. The idler pulley, they want to charge 12-13 a piece at my parts house, and then the belt's like 12 bucks a piece at the parts house. Okay, so I could get all these for $34.99. And take note, you may not need all the rollers. There may just be 1 roller bad, 2 rollers bad, or you could replace all rollers if you want to, but you could upsell this easily for 85 bucks. Easily all day long, and then plus your labor rate. Okay, so this is one of the things that we scoop up for everybody. The next thing is going to be the dryer repair kit. You get the thermostat, dryer thermistor. You get the thermal fuse. Okay, and right here for $13.50. And I mean, this is a good deal right here. This is like 8-9 bucks in my parts house, and they charge like 12 bucks for the kit. So like right here for $13.50, you could get both of these, and you may not need all of these. You see what I'm saying? You might not need the thermistor. Your thermal fuse may be blown, which when we change the thermal fuse, we change the thermostat, but certain dryers have got this that sets on the blower. So I mean, this is a good deal for $13.50. Okay. So the next one is going to be for your Whirlpool front load heating elements. For Whirlpool, for Kenmore, these the insert that's got the lips right there that go into the heater housing. This is a great deal right here because you also getting the thermostats, you're getting the high limit thermostats, and you're also getting the thermal fuses. And this deal right here is 33 bucks. Okay, again, you may not need all these, but you could sell just one of these for, like for instance, if the heating element went bad, you could easily sell this heating element for $65 plus the labor rate. And then you still got these other components that you can use. So let's go to the next one. Alright, this right here is a great deal. You get 12 thermostat kits. That comes down to like $3 and something a piece. And for 46 bucks, this is for like your regular Kenmore, your regular Whirlpool dryers. It's got the jump wire that you need right here. It's got the terminals that you need. Great deal. Okay, just want to put this out there for you guys. Next deal, we got the thermal fuses, like I was showing you in the previous one. Right here you get, let's see how many, 12 pieces right here for $8.88. Okay, these easily are $23, 25 bucks. You can retail these for 25 bucks, and you're getting them for cents on the dollar. Okay, and a lot of times when these blows, it's because the dryer vent more likely needs to be cleaned. And if you do that in your appliance repair business, great. Because anytime when these go out, always check that. But this is a good deal. Nothing wrong with them. Next one, we have lid switches for Kenmore and Whirlpool. Right here you get a 5-pack for 16 bucks. You know, these things you could easily charge $25 or more for these lid switches plus your labor rate, and you done paid for the rest of them and some. This is the 3 wires. Like I said, for your Whirlpool and Kenmore. This is a great deal. See what we got next here. We have, let the slow computer roll up here. Okay, dryer motor. I think the cheapest I can get a dryer motor for at the parts house is maybe 80 or 90 bucks. Okay. I could get this one right here for 60 with tax and everything, 60 something bucks, and works great. Never had an issue with them. Installed several of these motors here, and again, like I said, I'm gonna put links to these so y'all can go to them. Let's see what the next one we have here. And again, you know, I will get a little commission off these. You know, this is just how I support my channel and keep putting out the information that I'm putting out. Because I'm here to help you guys, but at the same time, you know, I'm in it to make money too. So just being real. Let this computer pop up here. I think I skipped one. Let me make sure. Okay. Here is your Whirlpool, Kenmore, roller kit, maintenance kit. Now I do get these a little bit cheaper at the parts house. I think I probably get them for like 8 bucks, 12 bucks. But you know, for you guys that don't have an account, right here, this is perfect. This is a good price. You could easily upsell this for 45, 50 bucks. You got your rollers, you got your eyeler pulley, you got your belt, you got your clips. Good deal right here. Okay, here is the Whirlpool repair kit for your front load dryers, which you know when I say front load. You get your 4 rollers, you get your belt, you got your little eyeler pulley that you can change. And right here you can get this, scoop this up for 20 bucks. This kit right here can easily upsell for 65, 75 bucks. Got a squeaky dryer, make some good money. Next one is, I believe this may be for the GE. Let's see here. Okay, yeah, this is your General Electric